happy. Today is Tuesday, day 16 of social distancing. I'm at work. If you guys don't know, this is one of my main places of work. And we come here every day because there's only 5 people who work here and it's my family, so it works out. Here's Roman playing. Say hi.
Bye.
So now I am going to get to working actually. If you guys don't know, I got my tooth pulled last week, so that was a rough week. I made it through, and now I'm gonna have a really productive week this week. I did my hair yesterday. I did a tutorial, so that will be coming up on YouTube for you guys pretty soon. Guys, so we are headed to lunch out here in these quarantine streets. There's Roman. Come on, buddy. All right, we'll see you guys when we get to Gigi's house. We're gonna get some food first. See you guys in a little bit. All right, we're at Gigi's house. I love this picture of us.
Mommy, watch this.
Okay.
Wait, watch this.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Next week you're going to swim the whole length of the pool without your floating.
Wait, what? Are you going to force me to?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. So you're going to push me into that deep end?
Yep.
So I can swim for my life?
I can swim for my life.
All right, so we finished school for today. I didn't get any work done because I was a teacher all morning. But I did. I wrote out things that I'm going to post, so that was cool. All right, guys. So we're heading over to Gigi's house for lunch. This might be the last.
I'm heading for the pool.
Yeah, they just posted something for Florida saying that we have to stay home, the whole state of Florida. So it's gonna change a lot for us, but I'm glad we've been really maxing out on everything that we can do and always thinking about what we can do instead of thinking about what we can't do. So
yeah, we can go to Grandpa and Gigi.
So I'm gonna I'm gonna keep that same perspective and see what's going on.
Ow!
That hurt?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes!
Okay, guys, so yeah, the news is real.
That's crazy. I cannot. It needed to happen though.
It did.
I'm for it.
We just have a really big state, so we knew it was going to take a while for them to make a big decision like that. So yeah, see you guys when we get to the office, see how it goes. How are you, babe? What do you think?
I think it needed to happen. It's definitely uncomfortable. But
I think the biggest thing I'm going to miss is your parents.
I'm more, she's like, y'all can come. Like, what they gonna do to you?
Yeah,
Come to the house.
I don't know. I have to look it up. We'll see how it goes. All right. See you guys when we get to the office. Wait, I have to get this moment. We're gonna illegally hug. Come on, Kim. All right, let me go. Hi guys, quarantine day 19. We have to work from home now, according to the guidelines. And I've been working since about 11, it's about 3. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, so about 4 hours. So I just took a break and I made breakfast for everyone. Yes, it's 3 o'clock. I gotta get this schedule down, guys. It's not good, but if you guys have any tips on scheduling, if you guys got a board like me, then yeah, but I still need to write down the schedule officially. We just got kind of thrown into it today, but it's okay, we made it. found another reason to leave the house. We're gonna go to Walmart before it closes to go and see if I can get a bike. A bike's went on sale like really cheap. So that would be great because then I can...
By the way, for first day of stay at home, there are a ton of people out.
Also, it's really hard.
By the way, can I have your phone, Daddy?
Yes, by the way.
Roman wants a YouTube channel so bad, he says.
Well, with the quarantine, you can learn how to edit.
Oh, yes, you can learn how to edit. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to teach you how to edit. So, got some good news. A bike went on sale at Walmart. It's really kind of nice. And I need something to kind of do some cardio. Besides running, I can still run, but it'd be nice to be able to bike with my husband and my child, so I don't have one. So we found one. Turn it down, baby. We found one for $59.99, so we're here at Walmart in the parking lot. Jay's gonna go in and brave the Walmart streets for us and see if he can get it. Roman's back here, he's happy. It's been a productive Friday, my first day working from home. I'll talk to you, I'll do a whole sit down talk about it when I don't have Walmart. People are walking around with gloves everywhere. You see that big line. You have to go through this line to walk into the store. You have to be 6 feet apart. They're only allowing a certain amount of people in the store. It's crazy. It is crazy. But I'm actually gonna do Walmart pickup tonight so I can pick up really, really early in the morning. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. Morning, happy Saturday, day I think 21 of quarantine. I am cleaning up the living room and kitchen because I'm getting ready to go live here at my house. But before I go live, I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize every space. I think I'm gonna make a sanitizing schedule every day for probably like 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and then before I go to bed. But kitchen is beautifully clean. Next is setting up for my live. So I think I'm gonna put the camera right here, and then I'm gonna put something green probably right behind me. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Okay. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go get ready for this live. Alright guys. Just finished my live. It went over really, really well. If you guys want to take a look at it, I'll put the link down below for the vlog. But yeah, it went over really, really good. I like that I was able to do slides and stuff, so that was super nice. And then great engagement, good talk, and I missed everyone. It's like so different now doing a live. You're just so happy to connect, you know? Makes me look at it a little bit differently now. Not eating pineapple cake.
Can you open this?
So then after this, I'm going to go and get some Starbucks, and then this will be my last Starbucks run until next Saturday.
You're gonna get Starbucks there.
No, baby, I don't have the creamer. I have to go get creamer.
Are you gonna order it?
I tried to order, they're out of stock, so I gotta go to Target and get it.
We're not leaving.
Who's that?
Me.
Okay, you don't have to leave it. Hey guys, I'm back in the car. I'm heading over to Publix and Starbucks. I'm gonna get me, okay, to-do list. You guys ready? I'm gonna put it right here. To-do list. Number 1, get creamer for my coffee so I don't have to go to Starbucks anymore. Number 2, get Starbucks so I don't have to make coffee when I get to my place because I'm already out. Duh, yeah. Number 3, clean up the middle area so Jay can work in a beautiful, well-lit daytime area. And then turn on a show for Roman on my phone, and turn on my show in my room, and then clean up my area in my bedroom, and then fold all of the laundry that I've washed over the last week. So wash all laundry and put it away and purge. So I think I'm pretty good with that. I'm good with the list. That's all I want to accomplish. Tonight I also have prayer call for worship tomorrow. I'm gonna do a really extensive night routine tonight where I'm gonna do yoga, I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna take a long shower, I'm gonna do a lot of things like that. And then go to bed peaceful and in peace and happiness. Yeah. And then possibly before I do my night routine, I have to make a couple of graphics. Yeah. Okay, so there's my list. Hopefully I can get it all done. Oh my god, people are like literally walking around with masks. This is crazy. I hope Publix has my creamer. I'm gonna go this way. Literally masks and gloves, everyone. Oh my gosh. Guess there's like a new order right now. Oh my god, and it's like crowded out here. I'm not gonna go in here. I'm just gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna go tomorrow. Get creamer tomorrow. This is just crazy. Crazy.
Ladies, what size?
Size is gonna be grande with whipped cream on top.
So grande hot latte with sugar-free vanilla, made with almond milk and adding whip.
Yes. Can you also add 1 pump of the sugar-free cinnamon dolce?
Yeah, 1 pump of sugar-free cinnamon dulce. Anything else?
Nope, that's it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's gonna be $5.52. Thank you.
Thank you. The cool thing is about Starbucks is you have to scan, you just scan your phone so you don't touch anybody except the cup. That's it. But I will wipe it down, by the way. I'm really gonna think a lot about this quarantine life. A lot of people are dying from this and it's really scary. But I have faith that God will protect, God will redeem, God will recover all that's happening with all this stuff, and I'm just declaring that this year is still going to be the best year ever. Okay, so I did get it hot because I meant to get it cold, but it is good to drink something hot throughout the day, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, so today's gonna be a productive day, productive Saturday. It's only 3:24. If I can get to my night routine by 11 p.m., 3:30, so 7 hours, I can do it. I can do this. I'm just sad about this creamer being out of stock everywhere. It's like, why is everybody doing this to me? I really want to order a bike. These bikes are so cute. Grr, you. She looks cute with her workout clothes and her bike. I'll do it. Okay, I'm finally folding all of these clothes. Here's Roman working. What you doing, babe?
Nothing really.
Say hi.
Bye.
So yes, we are just finishing up here. I'm gonna do one pile at a time. Happy Sunday. Have to do my makeup. We're serving the community by streaming them Jesus. There's my drummer right there. It's the alto. I think I'm 6 feet away. There's my musician. There's my husband. So yeah. I need to get ready. I'm gonna make me some tea. You made yourself some tea already, baby? Yes. Made me some tea and do my makeup.
Hi, Joe. How you doing?
Are you talking to them? What are they doing?
You probably eat the balls, wouldn't you?
Huh?
All right, here's your first drink. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Either one of us can win this, okay? You think you're good or me? All right, let's see it.
I can't hear them.
You miss your friends?
I can't hear them.
You can't hear them on the phone?
No, I can't hear London.
Oh, here, hey, Nolan and London, they can't. Roman can't hear you. There you go.
You're going a little too hard. Let's see it, dude. Oh my gosh. No. And this is